invested in stocks and made a killing.
What's up, you guys? Let's do a recap. Let's do a recap of the trading day. SoFi on fire. 1 second. Let's look at the notifications. Let's go back. Today's 11/17/2022. And we want to do a recap. So today, in the Discord group, if you're not in there, email support@privateprofitstrading.com. I'll send you a link. Let's check it out. So we got Baba on the 5-minute bar. Baba was a monster winner this morning. 300% profit. TSM was a monster winner this morning. SoFi was a monster winner. Macy's was a monster winner. WBI short was a monster winner. So notice the VWAP broke VWAP. I'm already looking for it to come down and retest multi-day, right? So even though it had this big pop, I'm not impressed. I'm looking for the multi-day. So what happens? Big candle breaks VWAP, automatically gets short. All right, that's 40% profit. TSM, just notice it. VWAP break here. VWAP break here. Candle. I'm looking for the multi-day. Just look at this. Look at all that buying. That's strength. You know, no red candles in the mix. You know, there's a lot of buying going on. Profit taking. Breaks this high of the day. It's about to rip. It's about to rip. So we also know that Baba is ripping at the same time. So of course, I gotta assume that these Chinese names are doing the Dougie. 500-mile dash. All right. VWAP break. We're looking for multi-day. Big candle breaking multi-day. Retest. Boom. Spike. And we're off. And that's money. Let's look at SoFi. SoFi sold off. VWAP break. Big candle. Buying the suit. We got to break back to the downside. Got some jigging around the VWAP. Breakout. So this is the fake out, shake out, breakout. All right, looks like a W. Kardashian bottom. Double top, whatever you want to call it. Breakout candle. Takes you higher. All right, Macy's reported earnings. Not sure if they were good or bad. Doesn't matter. They had a gap up. So we had some buying in the pre-market. More buying. Gap and go. VWAP retest, showing strength, candle, float. That's how you play the VWAP. It's the power of the VWAP. One line, two lines, really. VWAP, or really one line. All I need is one line. But multi-day VWAP, because we can't use multi-day. Multi-day is down here. And we'd only be assuming a multi-day if we was to have a, like I showed you on BBWI, a break to the downside. Then we can assume to go short to the multi-day. But since we are bullish, and the more you look at the patterns, the more you look at your screens, you start to get familiar when you see certain setups. Like, to me, this was accumulation, automatic. I'm knowing, all right, we're opening, we're not breaking down, we're accumulating, we're retesting VWAP, not breaking. Boom, all I need is a break here. Let's break that high then. And as you can see, that's what it did. Retested that high. Buyers are there. Stay long. All right. So that is the trade recap, and I'm done trading for the day. It's over. Not giving any gains back. 300% in Baba, 200% in TSM, and we're still looking good at Macy's. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Any questions? Let us know. Make sure you get into that Make More Trade Less Accelerator program. It's my exact blueprint on how I stay consistent in the market. We got Webull hotkeys that make execution super fast. You can sync it to your phone. You can't get any better than that. I know a lot of people using platforms that does not enable them to be as quick. And this is going to be a game changer for you. So that's available in the program. You got 10 complete on-demand hours of VWAP training. All right, you can't beat that. You know, you get custom indicators that come with it. Everything you see on this chart, you get this. You get true range indicator. So you want to take a look at that. You know, you want to be checking that out for sure. You get all that, and I'll show you how to use it. So sign up for that. I'll put the link in the description. We also offer mentorship. You know, it's the annual membership, private profits trading, tuition, where you get access to tons of extra trainings. Make sure you never YouTube again. So any questions, leave them in the comments below. Let me know what you think.